Hey everyone, welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at that Husqvarna 55 chainsaw. Very popular saw for firewood cutting, ranch use, camping. And we'll take a close-up look at some of the features it has. Chokes on the top. Kill switch right below it. Operator presence lever. Foot pad for starting this high compression motor on the ground. Foot in place. Grip on the handlebar. And there is a decompression valve right here. Push it in. Makes it easier starting this high compression motor. Working chain brake, quiet tone muffler, falling spike, and a side load on your gas and oil reservoir. Has the low vibration isolation motor mounts, front and rear. Plastic has some fading on it. It's got a 16-inch bar and chain, that's 3/8 pitch, professional sprocket nose. But just for an all-around good firewood saw, camp saw, ranch saw, very popular saw for that.